This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alejandro Bendayan. Ample bedrooms, just painted, renting front area of pool home with 3-bed and 1.1 bath with own laundry room area. Circular driveway, gas range, Titan electric water heater. Foyer entry, living and dining rooms and exclusive use of the screened-in pool. Shared utilities except gas. Ask listing agent. Use of carport is not included. Property rented in as is condition. Tenant shall provide credit report, a basic application, use attached form or any other basic application form, and POI, check stubs, bank statements, etc. By appointment only. Please call listing agent for more information. Review the details below or contact Alejandro Bendayan at 305-785-3906.